Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we're going to talk about a little something that I've had quite a few quick posts and questions about. So we talked about the Windows 11 official release date that seems to be September the 20th, and I mentioned the build would be 22621. So if I look at my Windows version, I'm in the insider rings. I am on a release preview, and I have Windows Windows 11 build 22621. And of course, on the beta channel, two builds, to make it a little more complicated, exists. There's 22621, but some of you have moved to 22622. That is a different branch of Windows 11. It is going to be, according to what I understand, the builds that are going to test the new features that are coming up next year. So what's going to happen is 22621 will probably disappear from the beta channel at some point and be only release preview until the release. And 22622 will be the official beta channel build for Windows 11 next year that will contain and test all the new features that we're going to actually get into Windows 11 22H2 during 2023. Remember that 22H2 is the last big update that they do in a year. Starting next year, it seems that what was called 23H2 or Sun Valley 3 it's actually not going to happen. And the reason why is because apparently they are moving back to a 3-year schedule of releasing new versions of Windows, which makes the speculation of Windows 12 now for 2024. So what they have done is that they've divided the beta channel 22621, 622, and what's going to be released officially is 621. If you're on 622, you're technically going to test features that are going to show up from time to time throughout next year, because that's what's the promise of Windows 11 22H2. Even though Sun Valley 3 is not officially going to happen, it's kind of going to happen, but with regular updates that we'll get through Windows Updates all the time, regularly next year. And we're going to have a lot of them. So apparently, every couple of months, we're going to have new features show up through cumulative updates on Windows 11 22H2. By the end of the year, that's going to kind of add up to what 23H2 or Sun Valley 3 should have been, but in small new features here and there throughout the year instead. So it's, the way of Microsoft making everything very complex to understand. So the official release of 22H2 will be 22621 build. And 22622, like I said, is going to be the test for new features throughout the year that will be added to 22621 at some point. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.